full Akufo NPP about say NPP project and a FNSM Asante Otumfo more than
enkomona ni nyina yetoto aso na ni nyina na aka no obeti wa no ade na wo ye is for social media money into raise controversial topics there be ebema wanya traffic send ye be ya obenya sika de didi enti nenka sebi obi abusuemu asem de wo de betu social media for 3 solid months every day lumba picture na denachi nenkofo kasa ene nyame ya dum esilum bawie na yesi na sim nyina asa enti ade ya also ye ne say obepe another controversial one and we him say politics nya ba pe e be create traffic amano and that is the reason why nani abra wakofura waded ba Dr. Bawumia mu nyina be wura mu se ne e be ya Bawumia Kennedy no de nya nkofo no de nya traffic na me meka mamiti wa nkoma no would be concerning yen politics tribes ne regions ne hono ema na me buy no work na and no na me who say there are certain things I was yensu nyina yehu and say NDC very smart when it comes to those type of politics, divide and rule politics. Divide and rule politics of hatred. And no normally atumwa and NPP nyade wo that side. NPP no ye focus no more na ye development ye be ya de na Ghana fa so e de ato abama ye. But NDC no they focus more on tribal sentiments and hatred politics.
Where's when you send our weapon so?
I'm checking. Hey, I'm checking. Aba, me 5 billion. Me da sinya me shira o me mama. Me tia lieutenant. Mama, me shira why? God bless you so much for me. All right.
Na me shira, mama tiwa, na me shira. Enti no, that is what NDC uses. When say on person mu win power bia na eno no yade ya omo focus near the ewo na yenka bono asem kakra ene say okay 2016 elections ye beto aba enema na ye hard line things NPP the winning power especially with Bunu areas mu hono so okay it was about DKM, God is love, just a motus sa kwa NDC former nkofo be scam womo ho nyina man nkofo luso omo capital ebeye enti ema obnofoni dwa NDC. Now when NPP came to power no womo no mo problem na ayi sa ade na omo luso omo sika nyina even minimum nkofo no omo ni omo afa sika nkoto ho omo timi nya sika ni bidiye omo kotwetwe omo di say omo no ma council hold more omo nyina ko nya sika ni bi yetua bibia from Asante region to Bunu to a half bia no obia no umbia omo ko sa lie ema abani disika e de obia sika ma no NPP na ye fast forward with regards to even regional organizations demarcations about separate Bunu half region, it was a pressing need and yes NPP fitting and omo ye it was a pressing need by the people. Also, Bunu areas money na NPP seats, a MPP dominated seat. And the idea, and nipa omoto abane na to abane na say ye pese ye decentralize ye hone ye chem to Bunu any Bunu. And the MPP na ye at first kana ye kay no Bunu na ye hafo. I don't busa say na ye Bunu East any Bunu. Because people saw say it was a development no conform more. And na why I just had ye separate between Bunu East no any Bunu no. So the be ya omu nyina be nyomo regions.
But even those areas in before the government went ahead, they did referendum because we can't say now there was a referendum and the people voted in favor. Before Akufo Addo took a step.
Yes. And NPP did in good faith to say those places are MPP dominated areas. It's almost as no more pedia. Na NDC no when the NDC ni ya dia mesra oya kwesini na ono so edi wani mu oya di eno ne ya dia MPP for ya bu ha ya yedim say ye wie ni eja ne ho NDC yusu
your friend say tribal politics Dorma need to fight NPP. Case closed. Case closed. Dorma NPP do seat for NPP win Dorma city besine. How would they be and can NPP be lose Dorma city? Oko Dorma say as for the who NPP na ye. Kroni mu no as for the woman nyina NPP na ye. But ask yourself say identity yes, who the open for be freedom ha. First, Akufo Addo.
Omo library bibia.
Bibia. Akufo Addo first time na.
Omo hospital ni nyina NDC for nye ade ba kokra but Dorma hena bo Mahama hena wo ho.
Me kobusa Akufo Addo first time no. Asphalt na ye no. Akufo Addo first time asphalt ye no bono region no. Eho ne koye.
Oh, okay.
Na busa say edi enti na a strategy. Because if say omunim so bit man bowram awini bunu sita, they need to on say social media na message obi ehu otumfo sebe otumfo ehemfo empanimfo best reading na enye ne na esie. Videos omuso on TikTok ibu ha 1970 something 19 omunse president abesere otumfo bia na wote ho enye ne but omuma ne ye te say Akufo Addo ba ye na empanimfo free abrochire ba ombo otumfo ho said ye be ya enkofo befu Akufo NPP aba na say NPP project ye fe na say asante otumfo more than other chiefs and also no on say obia ebu ni hene sebe untimi to me hena se ema wo hini yi ena omdi NPP ni ebata otumfo ho enti ema NPP hu ye hi bunu areas ni mu nyina every place even ahafun na there were no issues between ahafun asante no it affected them. And it's because of that divide and rule politics na NDC dey ban. And so I'm telling solution there minia solution yent me nka na ha. And a solution no so very difficult. I just empanimfo no etna se. The right how or the right way to solve that problem because and yes ebema do all the blue areas in na ebeye NDC dominated. Ebasa answer NPP ebeye this NPP power. I tell you the truth. And until the NDC for I told you say bibia no okobono okodoma Maham bibia no okohodom. Ask yourself I didn't na dey bibia omko. They want to maintain the seat. And to mbeye bibia and your friend say problem baba to bono any asante intem so that
NPP Richard but you show phone so
yo answer bramate
oh entino minia sa ade na wo no national executives no nyankopon adam na say Dr. Bawumia wie na ye wie ni nyina wie there should be a deliberate effort ye debate nya solve problem me come do intimi so because on say Ghana no tribes culture any sign man ye holding a very precious
answer na nyamba me alete
ye holding a very precious na busa wo say edientina but ye fair say nzongos no still na Dr. Bawumia by we still didn't get the votes and ye free nzongos no whilst we presented somebody or ye their own NDC decide na tungofo tirim say NPP MP we asem NPP mpa renew we asem NPP mpa renew NPP percent fon kwasem decide na den grofo tirim enti nipa ne kwoto aba na enipa na benefit hwenkrofo 2020 COVID by omo sika free for the first time in Ghana history ordinary Ghanaian ekonya sika free
of akwasi mpacho Ghana ye ni nzongo baby ya
meka nzongo community say MPP your friend nzongo your friend say I'm not talking about meka tribes as na meka tribes on say oba your friend say asante region ne bono you say nzongo communities for hodom even an amount southern part the nzongo communities are dominated by ye nuanum mo your friend say northern regions ne Muslims no Oh, ye de adwin bia to omo tirim se obi cry e fe ne say NPP ni no obe duru ho no oba that place ye de mimi krom say mimi krom okọ mi krom a en okọ nzongo communities na enipa 5 and then they active in NPP politics almost one and delegates asa the rest of them enipa ne kra yi ne ho kra so NPP ni no osoro oyi ne ho say NPP ni e wo nzongo community na osoro bisa oh enti no me ka e ma nyina ya tia sese ye ni mpanimfo ni dinkoma sa issue na ho na ma na e ka no mo ye hwe ni ye pa because ye hwe ni ye it will affect our party long term madam wase
yo me da say Uncle Kwesi Dr. Perfect Banasena Hajia me would Dr. Perfect mean so Brian ni but I mean are you happy with the fact say some way somehow they have dragged Hajia Samira Dr. Baomiani former President Akufo Addo din echo team legal wife versus team side chicks or whatever. I mean, what is happening? And what should we do as a party?
Okay, so the voice, good evening once again. And thank you very much for the opportunity given to me tonight. Mr. was saying. Okay, me that's it. Remember, me Bibia. I think say NPP we have two enemies at this moment. We have internal enemy and external enemy. Because say we are say NPP your partner that was here, and we have two enemies now that we are fighting in it. We have internal enemy and external enemy. And politics won't say ye politics are ubia choose where a person or the be weak you and answer or the best sell campaign. Whether it is going to destroy you, whether it or whether I say a bit cool crana and funny home, your no penny say the obeke be obet be anya to me biano or person just to win power. Sana ye chroma politics akwakoye because second tisa aka topic aye kan ni asema ye discussing. I don't think we should even be discussing these issues here. Number one, this morning me call one of the guy because so no I say friend the voice. You I know you are the voice, but there is another guy too who also have the voice there. And no pay no so discuss say NPP for ni Baumia ankofa kenoforianta magana ha. Baumia can never be president, and he is urging Ghanaians to use kenoforiata and punish Baumia because Baumia was economic.
Richard,
economic then so far.
It show me what my house say. I send you a tap thing.
And can you relax?
And you see,
yeah, let's go.
The voice. Yeah, the voice. So me bisa ne say, enti onu ankasa no asemu a work trans ya okay. Say or bisa a topic or bisa Ghana for say should Ghanaians say Kenoforianta ma NPP will still be in opposition no Ghana for adwin say. Then I went there and I asked him say my brother, but the question you are asking and the topic you are discussing it doesn't go anywhere. Maybe how can and funny come baby how can you hold Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia responsible for Kenforiata no being to Ghana or no answer be opposite over Ghana? And I make a say now then I think that Sesa no Kadia and then me funny life is what I say yen NPP for Krano ye Kenforiata cry ye huno and the end this ya buying omunye ya dom no more fuck Kenforiata mre ya Ghana ha. Na at least ye promise ya kwa ikura no o meto abani bi na at least you scar crown so one on kwa be bua yen na yetimi win election because we are looking for that ye hu no o cry ye say okosa ne wo yare say ne hu atono say ne hu ntono ye wo opposition ye hu Kenforiata enti aban na wo so no tumi bi owo bi a obetimi aye bi a no ye sre na ye nyina ye Ghana for constitution no ebo ye nyina ho ban enti baby Kenforiata wo bia no ni vote ehia NPP for e wo promise aye koimu enti NDC for nkofa no mre yen na ye fa no na meto bama yen but you should be asking Ghanaians say they should punish Bawumia because of Kenforiata. And I think this even to utopic also discussing how can you say a judge in the courtroom a rule case per on one in mudi or war and somebody somewhere will just push an agenda and claim he say Samira Baumia na wako catch judge ni say only case in tia Akosia say wa enunti ye metrans na yen discuss non for divert attention of whatever they are doing. I think say it's not fair. And I'll urge everybody on this platform say we shouldn't give them the attention. I agree that politics will be cast say when you know na akwa say eba ye I agree say sometimes it may happen. But I think say baby APP just say no we are going for primary election. We need general election. We delegate ourselves na ye can delegate in a year share home. We have less than 40 days for this election. Baumia have to win this election so that NPP win in the next election that we are going. So we shouldn't be discussing Samira Baumia na court because we know in Kuala Lumpur say which rather. It doesn't make any sense to anybody. And there is another topic today you are discussing about bro for region and certain regions are issues na my meeting na I can say I have 30 NPP in our last election. I think say it's true. Sadie no minya huntintie and I think say intern amantem and affect ye bigly e election ye koyemu. So now you were asking about solution. This is a solution that we have to do. We cannot discuss Brown Afro region or the issues across the regions. No, we can't discuss these issues on the social media. I will urge that NPP, your executive, your penny for your neck, your council of elders, your penny for partner, omu team will be. Oh, you see, this is how NDC solve their problem. NDC somunya problem kasi bi wo region mu a no more team will be some me kai say emra almost this man the one in parliament amudi ato force in by okay say yes almost how na do somebody ato force in by no there was a very big issue na cause so how na do constituency ho na NDC no hwe ye be how na do sukra no e bet me affect your vote. They sent some people from Greater Accra region cause can north for no and they went to the regions, they went down to the constituency, they meet people in their churches, in their mosques to explain the reason why in Tia how na do has been changed for auto forcing. The same thing as how you should wake also the Kosovo Bravo region no mestre part in penny for say premise in Navy a quitting will be as one year after your premise, yes, man, penny phone call grounds because NDC in them grounds and no monkey can some some go masum na Akufo Addo and a say if I say assassinachi and no more fighting which is not true, which is nowhere near there. And to me, I think that the solution we should be fighting for now is to let the leaders go there personally, going around to meet everybody in the constituency to explain the things to them that we have nothing. We are they shouldn't bring NPP in this case. That's why it's going to help. And Mr. Voice, sad topic we about Odobro anyway. Mr. Moon to Sakis we would yen focus na yen cast papa a betting up what my baumia, the vote or Benyan and Costro, not part in Yakono. The voice me that see.
All right. Me that say Dr. Perfect.
The doctor and say one by life, Doctor Matthew.
Voice. My PhD no.
Doctor Perfect.
Boy, me nam kwa hunti.
Okay.
The noise no, I have very noisy. Rufia, say Rufia is about just 10 minutes away.
Boys, mama